Hello, teachers! Amidst all your administrative responsibilities, do you often find it difficult to create remedial plans and resources to improve student learning outcomes? Creating lesson plans, designing practice worksheets, searching for remedial material mapped to specific learning outcomes. Remedial teaching is essential, but preparing targeted remedial activities takes time. This is where Shikshak Sahayak chatbot, powered by Vidya Samiksha Kendra J&K on Swift Chat, makes a real difference. First, it generates lesson plans, worksheets, and remedial videos at the click of a button. Teachers can easily access remedial resources by selecting the grade, subject, and the learning outcomes in which students are weak. Second, these resources are aligned with national and state content standards such as NCERT and JKBOSE, and are available in multiple languages. With access to remedial resources mapped to learning outcomes, Shikshak Sahayak helps you spend less time on preparation and more time on what truly matters: improving learning outcomes. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to use the Shikshak Sahayak chatbot. Step 1. Download Swift Chat. To use the Shikshak Sahayak chatbot, Android users can download the Swift Chat app from the Play Store, while iOS users can download it from the App Store. From here, the process remains the same for both Android and iPhone users. To set up the app, select your preferred language and enter your mobile number. You will receive a 4-digit OTP via SMS. Enter the OTP on the screen and click Confirm. Next, complete the profile setup by entering the correct name and selecting the state and city. This helps students receive relevant updates and notifications on time. Click Continue to proceed. Step 2. Open Shikshak Sahayak. Open Swift Chat app and tap on the scan icon at the top right corner. Scan the QR code shown in this video. When the chatbot opens, type Hi and select your preferred language. Next, type your name. Enter your school's UDICE code and verify the details displayed on the screen. Then select your class and the medium of instruction. Now, choose the subject for remedial teaching. Select the relevant chapter and the learning outcomes available for that chapter and confirm your selection. Congratulations! You can easily access remedial learning materials such as lesson plans, worksheets, and remedial videos. After completing one learning outcome, you can continue exploring additional resources with ease. Simply select another learning outcome from the same chapter, choose a different chapter, switch to another subject, or even select a different class. With the Shikshak Sahayak chatbot, you can access remedial resources according to the needs of your classroom. Step 3. Share with teachers and colleagues. You can easily share the Shikshak Sahayak chatbot with your colleagues. Just click on the 3 dots at the top right corner of the screen. Select Share Bot and send the link through WhatsApp or any platform you prefer. Share the joy of improving learning outcomes by introducing this chatbot with other teachers in Jammu and Kashmir. If you face any problem or need help, tap on Help at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you will find the support helpline number and email ID. Our support team is available Monday to Saturday, 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. and they can help you in English, Hindi and Urdu. We are always here to support you. Want to share your experience? Just tap on the bot name at the top of the screen. You can rate the chatbot and share your feedback. Your feedback helps us improve this product and bring new features. To stay updated and receive more such informative videos, subscribe to the Jammu and Kashmir Vidya Samiksha Kendra e-content YouTube channel and turn on bell notifications. Thank you.